Just like one now.
The first start there, you know.
For them people, we hold it for flour left back in the pot, you know. Then all pack up back your way.
I'm dinner this man.
It's a dinner. Yeah man, having a jar, you know. Having a Bob Marley. See?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah man. So you guys full jar in Jamaica so far?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
We've come to absolutely love it.
Yeah. Welcome to Jamaica.
Thank you.
Yeah. It's a pleasure. So yes, the people, welcome back to another adventure, guys. Today with the back on a river, my people. Go on with an epic cooking, my people. Want to cook Jamaica national dish. Some ackee and saltfish, caramel dumpling, yellow yam and pumpkin on the river, my people. Yeah man. Today I put things together, my people. So shortly we just kick off the pot, my people. And we're there with the big chef. Yeah man.
I be right.
Just breadfruit today. We have some saltfish, my people. We have flour and caramel.
Nikolai.
Breadfruit.
You get man, come here man. Only like to pass it up. Put on the pot already. Water gone. No difference. You bring it one back. I went to them. You know, if you can see a kitchen, if you find around dozen pound fish, I'm go over there.
Yeah man, that I go on the river.
Go on a saltfish. Go over there again. You have much time when I'm going to you want to see how they look? We know, you know. What is happening? I'm going to put up here. Push up here, sir. The fire. You're running. Boil up. What time is it?
Yeah man, food time. This one we are going now. We are getting everything up and running the people. We are going to clean up the flour you know.
See what go on the side.
No drop things, people. See it?
The flour there. That is it. Right. There's some caramel flour.
Yeah man.
That I go on the river.
No.
Salt.
Salt man.
So here my people that I go on from water go on, you don't know. Real bush life.
You can't feel you, man. You can buy clothes here. You need clothes.
That is it, my people.
You're willing. How is that?
Yeah. So we are living.
It's not 10 pounds but 5 pounds.
Chinaman rob we. This a go on no. You know where you go.
Why? But in I son of my people. Let's say.
Why upon the river, you know.
Is there nothing? Is the female dad? Yeah, man.
Nature water that here.
Alright, my people are two different turkeys, so we put one in a bag, so it's separate, you know. So what we do, we just pour up the bag, you know. But same way. You know. Yeah, man, I would go through, I know. Watch out, my people. More flower money go up on the river, you know. You see it? So we have to just get to work. 27 night camel dumpling,
Yeah,
one white flower.
5 of the white flower and 2 of the other one.
Thing. Yeah. Flower in a pot already, you know. You see it? Yeah, man.
And then win more side then.
The thing aside if I
But the
win
money no bigger.
I never win it 3 times back
Then the money no bigger than a Champions League.
One big pot of blow up on the river, my people. Jamaica national dish alongside with the ackee and saltfish. How many the pan in life? That's the way to line up.
Fish or Ezra?
Yeah, man. Vibes on the river.
Sharing food, boss.
Big fat funny. Everybody there have a fun. Celebrate life. Ball and juggle same way. You know? We there. So me have certain people still have the dumpling them take a lot out of me, you know? Yeah man, we need so much flour. Good job. Yeah man. So we jam up on the riverside, you know my people. That go on. That's how we pull up on the river. You see it? Yeah man. So yeah, what go on now my people. Food done cooking, but guys them say them go play some ball. We typical Jamaican, that's how we go roll the leather, you know. So I walk around, they go see what them are going with. You know. And thing. See if I can go roll some leather myself. Them say 5 o'clock at dinner time. I just 10 minutes after 4 right now. So we are going to burn some sweat my people, you know. Before we eat. We are going to try see if we can get hungry. Cause I don't see no whole for food on fire, you know. Yeah man, whole for food on fire, so we want to get well hungry first. So here guys, we come to play some football and we box some lovely white lady. Yeah man, having a jaw, you know. Having a Bob Marley. See?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah man, so you guys full join Jamaica so far?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
We've come to absolutely love it.
Yeah, welcome to Jamaica.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's a pleasure. Yeah. See? Yeah, so we're just gonna play some ball.
All right.
Yeah.
Me have something, man. Come on, Mr. I want to believe in myself like Arsenal. Sorry, Pop. Sorry. Come on, sorry. Land up. Land up.
Good time.
Yeah, we can start over time.
That's how things said.
I don't care.
Ball game was good with people, you know. But a lot of sweat. Yeah man. For 5 years now, I don't do this to my people. Yeah man, over 5 years now, I don't play football. Yeah man. Nobody feels so numb, but you know. Yeah. It's a good time with people. Yeah man. Oh, the moms.
Yeah, the first start there, you know.
boys from the river. Night of fall, my people. Yeah, man, Stush girl from the river. What are my people? Whole heap of flour left back in the pot, you know.
34 dumpling left.
34 the left back. Okay.
Ackee left back.
All courtesy at Twinny.
Yeah, man.
Twinny all pack up back your way.
I'm dinner this man.
It's a head dinner.
Dinner.